Hi, welcome back to our showroom here at Printer Showcase. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to add a network printer driver to Windows 7. First, I'm going to go to the Start menu and I'm going to go to Control Panel, Devices and Printers. At this point, I want to add a printer. This time I'm going to choose a local printer because it's hooked up on our local network. Add a local printer. I don't know what the IP address is of this printer. I just want to add the printer. So what we're going to do is choose LPT1 as our printer port. And I'm going to go next. In the previous video I showed you how to download a printer driver, and that happens to be the printer that we're going to add today. It's the Ricoh C431DN. So I have that disk. I'm going to choose Have Disk. And then I'm going to browse. And when I browse, I want to choose my C drive and then my Ricoh C431DN disk. Choose that. Double click on disk 1 and double click on OEM setup. And then I have the install disk window and I choose OK. Now I'm going to choose the manufacturer is a Ricoh and the printer is a 431DN PS for PostScript. I choose Next. I want to replace the current driver. Printer name Ricoh Officio SPC 431DN PS. I go Next. I don't want to share the printer. I choose Next. And I don't want to print a test page right now because it's not going to print. I don't want to set it as my default either. I Finish. Okay, now I have the printer loaded. I want to right click on this printer and remove that device. Yes, I want to remove this device. Now I'm going to add a printer, and since it is hooked up using Ethernet, I'm going to add a network printer so it can search our available TCP/IP addresses. And it's searching right now. And what I'm looking for is a standard TCP/IP address that has been assigned by the router. Okay, I see the printer. I'm going to choose Officio SPC 431DN at my IP address 192.168.1.175. Next. Now Windows 7 will search for the driver that I just added, and it asks if I want to replace the current driver. Next. And here's my printer name, 431DN PS. I'm going to choose Next. It's installing the printer. Since it's a network printer, I don't need to share the printer. I'm going to choose Next. And this time I do want to print a test page, now that we know it's hooked up correctly. Print a test page. Test page has been sent. I close and then I Finish. And it looks like to me that the printer is operating and printing my test page. Okay, that's it. We've added the network printer Ricoh Officio SPC 431DN PS. Thanks for watching our video and we'll see you next time.